Hi friends, good day. Today, let us try to understand about divergence in trading. What are the types of divergences through this video? According to Ferriss, author of the 4-Hour Workweek, the stars will never align and the traffic lights of life will never all be green at the same time. The universe doesn't conspire against you, but it doesn't go out of its way to line up the pins either. Conditions are never perfect. Someday is a disease that will take your dreams to the grave with you. Pro and con lists are just as bad. If it's important to you and you want to do it, eventually, just do it and correct course along the way. Before we go in,
please subscribe for more videos. Click the bell icon for updates.
What is divergence in trading? The word divergence means to move or draw apart. Divergence in trading is when the asset price moves in the direction opposite to what technical indicator indicates. For example, when the price make a higher high but the technical indicator is showing lower low, it is divergence. The divergences happens when the price of the stock does not synchronize with the indicator. When a stock is diverging, it signals weaker price trends and the beginning of the reversal. Technical analysis traders use oscillators to measure price momentum and at the same time to generate market direction signals. In order to spot the divergences in the forex market, one has to compare price movement to an oscillator movement. The most common used oscillators include MACD, RSI, stochastics, Williams %R. From the fundamentals perspective, divergence is viewed as a period when the shares of the company are not in sync with its intrinsic data. For example, the stock of the company may continue dropping even after reporting strong economic numbers. Convergence. The opposite of this divergence is convergence. When the movement of the price is in line with the movement of the indicator, it is called convergence. The positive divergence appears when price moves down and makes a new lower bottom while the technical indicator makes a higher bottom. This confirms a trend reversal from a down to an up move. A negative divergence appears when price moves up and makes a new higher top while the technical indicator makes a lower top. This confirms a trend reversal from an up move to a down move. One can use divergences to identify trend reversals and generate trade signals setups. We can also rely on them to determine the entry points and the exit points. Now, what are the types of divergences? Number 1. Regular divergences. Number 2. Hidden divergences. Each type of divergence will contain either a bullish bias or bearish bias. Regular divergences. This happens when price action reaches higher highs or lower lows and momentum oscillators doesn't. For example, when price makes a higher high but the indicator forms a lower high, that shows the bulls are losing momentum, except a fall in prices in the due time. In the same way, when the price falls to a lower lows but the oscillator gets slower and makes higher lows, there is a problem with the bears. They are losing momentum and the price is likely to rise. Regular bearish divergence. For an uptrend, if the price is making higher highs and the oscillator makes lower highs, there is a regular bearish divergence. Regular bullish divergence. When price makes lower lows and the oscillator makes higher lows, the variance between the two is known as a regular bullish divergence. It is an indication of a fall in momentum in a downtrend signaling change in trend. Hidden divergence. Hidden divergence occurs when the oscillator makes a higher high or low while the price action does not. This often tends to occur within an existing trend and usually indicates that there is still strength in the prevailing trends and that trend will resume. They can be bullish or bearish. Hidden bullish divergence. This helps when the price is making a higher low but the oscillator is showing a lower low. It is seen when the pair is in an uptrend. Hidden bearish divergence. This occurs when price makes a lower high but the oscillator is making a higher high. This occurs in a downtrend. So, regular divergence is equal to signal possible trend reversal. Hidden divergence is equal to signal possible trend continuation. Here is a picture that we have attached you on the divergence table. Well, hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and do share.